and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will talk about how to build a website using Godaddy. So first, we will start by writing Godaddy on Google. Press enter and go to the first site. And here we go. We will try start for free. And let's click sign in using Gmail and choose the category of your website or write your own. I'll write restaurant and you can see how many multiples options. I'll go with barbecue restaurant. Next, and write the name of your site, result, and here we go. So let's get started. You can see there are multiple options here for each of panels. So for home, we can change the name of that, and let's go done. Daily menu, also multiple option, and we can change that into daily menu if we want to. Next is that theme of our site. We can change the color of whole the site by moving it to exact color. We can also customize it. We can also customize it over here. And more is like font. You can use anything you want, any font. And moreover, the buttons, see over here, I will change the button into this one maybe, or that one. So moreover, there is an important button here, preview button, where you can see your whole site. Also on phone, it is so important because most people use phone nowadays, and that's how it looks like. You make sure both are the same. So let's go back to our site, and I want to show you that every section is highlighted by a green line. So to add it, you can click and change the cover media. There are so many options. You can change the image by clicking here, add image, or choose any of these image. So I'll go with this one and apply, insert. You can also use blur, but I'll go with this one. Next, we can go and add video, but it will slow down the website as visitor. So I'll go with image. Let's go to promotion banners, and let's see over here. We can add it, and we can also make the animation of the creation. Yes, you can see over here. The page we can just link it to, and here we go. Okay, about us also. Okay, now let's move on, and let me tell you how to move sections in this way to hide. And here is the options to delete, remove, or duplicate. Let's move towards another thing, that is add section. These are recommended for your category that you chose at the first, and you can use your own. So I'll type contact, for example, and I'll choose any of these. So I'll choose this one, and here it will appear this way. You can also add it and type anything. Again, choose any font, any color, any theme. Same goes with site, hours, and whatever options there are. Yes, let's move to another important feature, that is messaging, to able customer contact you, name, email, and how we can help you, send to, and here you go. We can also add pop-up. It is like an announcement for your website if you have any important message. You can also zoom that. There are so many options here: black and white, align it, and choose the title, and again add it the way you want. Now that's how our website looks like. And now let's go to the option setting and not publish, let's publish it. You can use your domain, but you can also go for free. And here you go, it is going to be published for free, and that will be written as Godaddy website. If you want your own domain, here we go, see, Godaddy, choose domain. You can just pay that and it will be your own domain, and I prefer every company to have its own domain. Okay, next option is that you can unpublish it easily. So basic information to be added on your site: email, address, phone, name, whatever. Social media links, add and link your social media links. And so many other options. And site history is basically important. You can also create backup as a manual. Here we go. I just did it now. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and thank you.